Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for middle month of July 2021, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in this mid month of July. Okay, so in this video I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right, so let's see what is there for my Cancerians for mid-July 2021. And I'm doing Sun, Moon, Venus and Rising sign videos. So if one video doesn't resonate with you, you can check your other signs as well. All right, so let's see. Cancers, mid-July 2021. Cancers. So the obstacle for you this mid month is the Nine of Swords, and the overall energy for you is the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so with the obstacle, I feel that you might be feeling somewhere, you might be feeling that you are at a place where you are not able to decide something, some kind of indecisiveness energies I'm seeing, because although this has come up in obstacle for you, so many of you, you will be feeling depressed, anxiety issues for some of you, and this is more like a situation where you are expecting something which is not going to happen. Okay, so basically not going to happen in a very bad sense. Basically what I am trying to tell you is you are expecting something which is not going to happen. Let's say you are expecting the worst, basically. Okay, so you are expecting that this might happen to me, what will happen in future, I might get, my job might just somebody might that feeling of getting rejected in a job, the feeling of getting rejected in a business or in a love life. So that kind of feeling which is not going to happen. So this is more like anxiety issues which are coming up for you, and you are expecting those things which are not going to happen at all, especially the negative ones. Those are not going to happen. Okay, so just trust yourself, trust your instincts. If this is regarding with a person, just trust your person as well. Okay, trust issues are also coming up, so you need to work on that. With the overall energy with the Eight of Pentacles, so I already told you that you need to work on that. So you are already working, or somebody is telling you to work on some things, your situations, your doing something. Okay, so your overall energy, you're already busy, and being busy you are going into depression. So this is like, I am busy but still I have work, but still I'm just thinking about a person, I'm still thinking about a situation, and it's making me more and more bad. Okay, so you do not have to do that. Plus the things which are hidden from you, let's just check those energy for you. The Nine of Cups is here, so the universe is trying to tell you that your wishes are coming true. Okay, so this is a wish fulfillment card. So yes, things are coming towards you, but you might not see them because you are at your worst right now. You are thinking more about the worst situations. You have planned out something. Okay, so this is a planning energy for you. You might have planned out, you might be planning for something, for bigger, higher goals in your life, and they will come true. Okay, so these things are hidden. You are already expanding your plans, you're already thinking big about something, and it is going to come true, but you are thinking about the worst situation. So that is not something which you should do right now. The Emperor energy, see your decision making, anything you have decided, and your logical mind, your leadership qualities, they are going to work, but you have to have belief in yourself. Two of Swords energy at the back of the deck. So this is telling us about you analyzing something which is not only analyzing, I would say over analyzing something. you are trying to get some situation, you are trying to get some answers, and you are trying in a very bad level, like, okay, what can happen, what bad can happen, basically. So that is what your energies are telling. But the universe is telling you, do not overthink about any situation, because that thing will not happen, that bad thing will never happen. So do not overthink about that, okay? All right, so the past energies are the 8 of Swords, 10 of Wands, and the Dreamer. So the Dreamer is the Fool energy, basically. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the same energy of the past which you are feeling right now. You have felt the same thing in the past as well. Whenever you start something new, you start getting thoughts like, okay, something bad might happen. Okay, so that thing, when you are taking a responsibility of your life, or a responsibility of your situation, you have to have belief and faith in that thing. Only then the things will happen the way you want. If you are manifesting the bad will happen. If you are manifesting the good will happen. So you are manifesting, you are going towards the worst things which are not going to happen. And in the past as well, the same things happened, and that is why you have become very sure. Because in the past as well, you thought about, okay, something bad will happen, and it happened because you were manifesting for it. Okay, Cancer, so please do not over analyze or over judge something, or over think about anything which is not necessary. Just think about the present. If the things are going good, just be happy with it. Okay, just be satisfied with it. Do not try to think, okay, so now I'm happy, but I will not be happy with this person for long term. Why are you even thinking about that? Okay, so that is why. So the Magician is already here. I was just thinking that, I didn't see Magician before, to be honest. I just saw it before. I was talking about manifestation. The bad manifestation which you use, which you do, the bad things come towards you, because you are attracting the bad energy. So that is why the things were happening that way. In the present, the cards are the Magician, the Empress, and the Wise Counselor. So this is telling me about that the universe is trying to tell you that if you are making some wise choices in your life, or just choices, try to make them perfect. Try to make those choices wisely, because if you are manifesting, as I already told you, if you are manifesting the bad things, bad are happening with you, because the universe wants you to manifest the good. Okay, try to be better, try to be the best version of yourself, try to grow within yourself. Okay, because these are the present energies. Again, something might have happened. Either there is a growth in something, either there is a growth in your job, in your finances. There's some kind of a growth. It might be a relationship as well, a beautiful growth in a relationship. For some of you, you might be starting with a new journey of somebody might be pregnant as well. I feel somebody is in a new journey of getting married to a person and now starting a new journey. You might be afraid. Somebody might be just not married, but you are going to get married for some of you. So these new journeys are making you feel again those bad situations. Again, you are over analyzing, overthinking, and that is what it is making you feel very sad or depressed somewhere. And you are basically manifesting again, I would say, the bad things. So over here, you really need to change your perspective, change your mind for not thinking about the bad situations, because they will not even happen. It's only you who are thinking it a lot about it. In the future energies, we have the Page of Swords, 4 of Coins, and the Queen of Wands. So yes, so somebody is coming up towards you and towards taking a decision, basically. Okay, so this person is very logical, this person is creative, this person is brilliant, talented, I would say. It can be your energy as well, but are you investing those energies, that time, energy, money? Are you investing in the perfect time? Are you ready to invest that much time and that much money in that situation? If yes, then go ahead, because some kind of a major decision making is coming your way. And yes, this is your energy. Okay, we are going to clarify it more, so do not worry. Okay. All right, so let's see your obstacle, the Nine of Swords. Tell me more about the Nine of Swords, please. Tell me more about the Nine of Swords, please. Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Sun. So yes, things might be the things which are hidden from you, because of which, you know, why we get depressive energies, why we get anxious a lot, because of the present which is happening, and about the future which is hidden from us. We do not know what is going to happen in future. So some things are coming in light, I would say, because the Sun energy is here. You might get some hints about your future energies from anyone. Okay, so it might be this reading only, it might be somebody else might be coming and telling you something that, okay, about some planning and some kind of a growth you might be getting at present, and you will understand that yes, this planning, this growth is coming towards me in a particular situation. It can be a relationship as well, but you will understand that yes, this energy, this present energy is going to become, you know, if I'm getting 10% only right now, so you have that that mindset that okay, I'm getting 10%, I will get 20%, I will get 30% then. So yes, something is coming in light, I would say. If you are getting too much depressed about a situation, then do not be, because you are getting some message from someone, or this might be some kind of hidden truth which might come into light. All right, yeah. So let's see why the Eight of Pentacles energy is here in your overall energy. Eight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and Page of Pentacles. So you might be starting new things. Some of you might be going back to school. Somebody might be learning. You know, you might be taking some kind of a seminar. For some of you, might be learning new skills, and that is why your energy is devoted towards something new. Might be in relation with money, because I'm seeing some finance related stuff, and for finance related stuff you are working. Yes, for some of you, you might also be working in a relationship which was like, you know, which was left out somewhere, and now all of a sudden you want to invest again in that relationship to let's get back together, or let's work on this relationship. It's been a long time and we didn't work on this relationship, something like that for many of you. And that is the overall energy. So the universe is also telling that work on this thing, whatever that thing is, rather than, you know, getting negative thoughts about those things, making the things more and more worse. It's better to work on that thing without even thinking about the future, because it will bring anxiety issues. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so I want to know what was the new things, what was the new situation came towards you in the past. I want to see what the Fool card is here. Tell me more about the Dreamer energy, the Fool energy. Queen of Swords, King of Cups, and the Death. Okay, a thing which started new, afresh, and it ended all of a sudden. So somebody was there who cut off the situation. Might be you, might be some other person. A lady energy is coming up. A person, you know, this lady can be a divorcee or can be a widow, because a single lady is coming up over here. So this is more where, you know, when we start something new, but all of a sudden we start getting negative thoughts, we start taking stress about a situation, although it is new, but still it has come with a lot of stress. So somebody ended this thing all of a sudden because of that lack of self-confidence and self-esteem. The things ended between you and some other person, and this can be some because of some third party person as well, because a mother, a father, it can be anyone who might be involved in the past energies. And that is why you have become very negative about everything right now, like whatever is happening with me, because it is meant to happen, bad things are meant to happen with me. No, it's not like that. Good things are happening, but you might not be able to see those good things. Okay, so tell me more about the Magician in the present energies. Yeah, 9 of Wands, 6 of Swords, and Judgment. So cards are telling you to just again change the direction, change the path of what you are already working on. Change your path for something new. I'm not saying change your career, I'm not saying change your job, it's more about change the perspective. Okay, if you are stuck in a situation with bad dreams, some of you might be getting some dreams, bad dreams, basically in relation with a relationship ending, or a job going away from you, something ending. Okay, you might be getting those dreams as well. So rather than expecting, because you are thinking a lot about the negative situation, so that is why negative dreams are coming towards you, negative things are happening with you, because you are thinking a lot. So start thinking in a different way and start moving forward. It's better to just move forward and just leave the negative energies behind, because manifestation is very important. Manifestation in a good way is important for you right now. What are the future energies for my Cancers? Tell me more about the Page of Swords energy. 4 of Cups, 4 of Swords, and the World. Yes, so right now, pause, and the feeling of being rejected, feeling of being neglected, you are really feeling like that, Cancers, I would say, because you are giving somebody a lot in a situation. Either this is a person or a thing. You are already giving a lot. You are investing a lot of energies. I already told you with the 4 of Pentacles in your future energies, you are already giving a lot of energies, but the other person is not giving you back what you actually deserve. And that is why the universe, you are feeling that everything is ended because you are getting nothing in return. So the universe is trying to tell you that try to invest those energies, or that time, or that love, that money, whatever you are investing on something, invest which will give you more fruits rather than nothing. It might give you at least some fruits, it might give it to you, because that is why the process is coming towards an end. There is a process, there's an ending. Okay, there's something, feeling of being neglected, plus this is a feeling of taking a pause. So it's coming up for you in the future, because you might not be investing your resources in a better way. And that is why this Queen of Wands, the Leo energy, this lady is coming up. All of a sudden, this is a new energy. It might be you, it might be somebody else, because you are the Cancer, you are the giver of the whole 12 signs. Okay, so yeah, this can be you. That belief, you believe in everything than yourself, but yourself, sorry. You believe in everything but yourself. That means that you believe in everything, but you do not believe in yourself. So that is important. The belief in oneself, the belief to do a thing in a very confident way, you have that thing. You do not have to ask anyone like, what is my talent, what do I need to do? No, you have that thing. See, Queen of Wands with the 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, and the King of Wands. So with the Queen of Wands, we have the King of Wands, a perfect couple, a perfect energy. So somebody might be coming towards you, Cancer. Somebody is like, you are getting very nostalgic because of the past situations which has happened with you, but you are working. At least you are working on those things. The things which went wrong somewhere in the middle of your journey, you are working. At least either you are working on yourself to make yourself a better version, or you are working on that situation to make it better. So in the future as well, you are the same person. Your nature will never change of giving other people the love they don't even deserve, might be. Okay, but your energies are, your love is not changing. You are changing in a very different way. You are giving the other person the love which they deserve or not, but you are changing yourself as well. You are becoming more confident. You are becoming a better version of yourself, because this Queen of Wands, she is the Leo energy, and it's more like she's very confident. She knows, she's very generous as well. You know, she knows how to control herself. She knows how to control the other person, the emotions. So that is what you are becoming. Alright, Cancer, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.